Good morning, children. Welcome to our YouTube class. Children, today we have finished the portion for your LKG. Okay. So we are going to start with revision from today onwards. All the bits that we have given parents, all the bits that I have done, it's going to be repeated from today onwards every day. One bit twice it will be repeated. Okay. And this is the revision for your essay 1. So let's begin now. So in your maths book, you have to take a page which is like this. Okay, then you write on one page you have to write revision for essay 2. Next page you have to write the date. Now you have to write the date, children. The date will be 18-2-21. You have to write the date. Teacher is not writing, but you have to write the date here. Okay, and write the heading as write numbers. Now you have already learned how to do the numbers in this way, right? So let's do it. From now onwards, we are only going to give you the work like this. We are not going to write the answers. You have to learn to write the answers by yourself. You know the full portion. This is a revision, so you have to write the answers. So 71 to 80. Okay, so you have to write 71 from here. 11 to 20. You have to write 11 to 20 here. And 91 to 100. You have to start writing from here. So it will go like 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80 will come here. Okay. So in this way you have to do your maths homework, your revision, maths revision. So now we have come to our English work. In the English book also you have to open the pages like this and write the same thing again. Revision for essay 2. Write the date here. Again I am telling you, teacher is not going to write the date. You have to write the date, children. Okay. 18-2-21 and write the heading as missing letters. Now I will read it for you here and then you have to do it yourself. You have to write it 3 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So, let's start reading it now. M-A, what will come here, children? N. M-A-N. So, M-A dash here, N will come. M-A-N. Man, it should make sense. The word that you're writing, after you write the letter, the word should make a sense. This is a letter and this is a word. All together it is a word. But if you are only writing N, it is a letter. So, M-A-N, it will become man. So, like that you have to write 3 times, children. Okay, M-A-N. Already you know all this. Parents, please guide your child while doing the homework for the revision. Next one is B-D. So, what will you write here? If you write B-E-D also, bed is correct. If you write B-A-D also, bad is correct. Whichever one you want to write, you can write, but it should be a proper word. B-E-D, bed. Okay, next one is B-O-Y, boy. Next one, J-A-M, jam. Now if you write J-U-M, it's wrong, children. It's not a word. It's not a correct word. J-A-M, jam. You should put a letter here which forms a correct word, a sensible word. Okay, 5th one, S-A-D, sad. 6th one, K-I-D, kid. 7th one, G-E-T, get. 8th one, H-O-P, hop. 9th one, D-O-G, dog. And 10th one, N-A-P, nap. Okay, so this is your missing letters. You have to write them 3 times. I'll read it once again for you. M-A-N, man. B-E-D, bed. B-O-Y, boy. J-A-M, jam. S-A-D, sad. K-I-D, kid. G-E-T, get. H-O-P, hop. D-O-G, dog. N-A-P, nap. These are your missing letters. You have to write 3 times for revision in your English classwork book. And for your rhymes revision, you have to do page number 16, I am a little teapot. Now this is all revision, so it's already taught to you. So I just read the rhyme for you once. You have to learn it in the house with the actions. Teapot. I am a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle and this is my spout. When the water's boiling, hear me shout. Just lift me up and pour me out. You have learned this rhyme, children. I am a little teapot. So this will come for your exam. So you have to learn this on page number 16. I am a little teapot. And in your GK revision for the exam, you have to learn opposites. Okay, so it is on page number 25. On the last page it is. You have to learn the opposites in this. Okay, so let's read the opposites now once. Big, small. So if teacher will say big, you have to say the small, children. Teacher will say big. What's the opposite of big? Small. What is the opposite of laugh? Cry. Opposite of short? Tall. Young? Old. Out? In. More? Less. Near? Far. Down? Up. Under? Over. Dirty? Clean. Thin? Fat? Hot? Cold? Night? Day. Okay, so all the ones which I have put the dash on, the children have to say those words. The teacher will say big. What's the opposite of big? You have to say small. What is the opposite of cry? What is the opposite of laugh? Cry. Opposite of short? Tall. So this is the way the teacher will ask you for the exam. So this is your GK revision for the exam on page number 25, opposites. So now we are done with today's class, which we start our revision from today. So in English you have to do the missing letters. Okay, write them 3 times. Say and write. In maths you have to write the numbers. In rhymes it is I am a little teapot on page number 16. In GK it is opposites on page number 25. On the last page, it's on the cover page. Okay, that is the opposite. So these are all your revisions for today, which you have to learn for the exam. So please do them. Click a picture. Please write the date. Click a picture and put them on your WhatsApp group. Okay. Please put the date so that we can give you attendance. Parents, some parents are not clicking the pictures properly. We can't see the date. So please click the pictures with the date. Okay. And put them on your WhatsApp group and take care. God bless. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.